Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and welcome in a business guide. In this video, I'm going to focus on how you can start your own LLC in Idaho. I remember the first time when I was starting my own business, I was lost and I was scared. And the one thing that I was thinking, the one way, was that I should actually focus on generating revenue, then creating value for the people and outsourcing the accounting and outsourcing the creation of the business. And this is something that I ask also you to do, is to completely outsource the creation. I'm going to show you how, and you should actually focus on generating the revenue. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. When you're going to be in Incfile, the first thing you want to do is click here, Start My Business. Here, the first step is choosing the LLC, and then state of formation, you want to find Idaho. When you have it, you're going to have the free options here, the free packages, the silver, the gold, and platinum. My recommendation is going with the gold or platinum, and I'll explain you why. With silver, yes, you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, the unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But you're not going to have the business tax name, IRS form, operating agreement, the business tax consultation, which is really important in my opinion. You're going to have it free there because like you would understand how the whole LLC process works. And also the unlimited phone email support if you're gonna have any questions. And the gold is like really good middle way. But then you get option for platinum, and with the platinum you're gonna have the expedited filling. So your company would be created faster. Domain name, business email if you want it, and business contract templates like privacy policy, terms and conditions, etc. So when you have it and when you want to choose the package, let's say I'm going with the gold. The next step is to adding the first name, last name, and address. So let's say I'm going to add Marcus Stonelius and email address. Okay, and when you got it, what is the next step is to add a phone number. So I'm going to add a phone number here, and then I'm going to add the address. Idaho, and like this, the zip code. Click next. Then you're gonna have the suggested, the address, okay. And now when we have it, you have option to have the 6 weeks filling time or go with the 12 business days filling time. If you're not going to choose the 12 business days right now, you can choose also the platinum version in which you would have it. And I would recommend going that way. So I would right now choose the 6 weeks, and you can choose the 12 business days if you want to. Then LLC name. This is where you're going to create your own name of the company. So I'm going to add my own LLC name that I have, the Sunwe, and you can add LLC, limited company, limited liability company. So I will add LLC, and then number of members, owners, and then you're gonna have the business purpose here. So you would add a description, and I'm going to add, let's say, marketing services for small business owners. And then industry keyword is going to be again marketing services, consulting services, and this is tell us what industry your business is in, and here you would write like a keyword and it will find for you, and then just choose the one that is identifying the most. Then you're gonna add the company address information. So if you have you can choose the street address that we added, or if you can add a new one for the company address. Then click simply next. Then you can have the option what I was talking about is to have the expedited filling service, business contract templates. So you would have 25 high quality legal documents, operating agreement. These are the all documents that you would get if you choose the gold version. And now when you got it, just go further, domain name and business email address. And you have option no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. again, you can choose that. Now you can have the member, and you can go member or company. So this is when we choose that we have one member. Let's say you would have two members, you would add it right here. Or if you're representing a company, you would add a company here. So I would simply add individual. Okay. Then 100% ownership, and I'm going to click next. Then you see that either requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent, and you can assign Incfile as my registered agent for free for 1 year. And this is something that I definitely recommend for you to have, to not doing the things by yourself. As I mentioned, is to focus on the business and not like on the creation and taking care of stuff. Let the reducing the junk mail all inclusive, just let it for the registered agent. And when you go further, then simply click next here, and then tax identification number information. This is something like, is this assigned by IRS to identify taxpayers? Like they will do it for you. And this is the fastest way to obtain the EIN number. So I'll just simply add my SSN number. And when you got it, again, you choose the physical street address. Next. Here, you're going to have option to also open the account with the bank. This is something that you can do or you don't need to do at all. This is completely up to you. I'm not going to recommend you anything here, because maybe you have a friend in some kind of bank that will create an account for cheap. Next. Then tax strategy free consultation. This is something that I definitely recommend to do and to have, is that you would simply click yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, and you would have the business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, how to reduce self-employment taxes. And I would definitely recommend like yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. Now when you got it, click next. And then you see we identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in Idaho. And this is something that I would again definitely recommend for Incfile to solve it for you. That yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. Here you would just add a street address, city, and state. But I would recommend definitely to do it. When you go further, you're going to press next here. And then the last 2 steps is the review of the whole order. So here you would review it, the agent info, company information, the member info, business tax consultation, and then just press simply next. And here you would have the billing information as a first name, last name, street address, card number, and just check on the right side everything. And you are going to have the full price, and you're going to have cover everything for just $450. You got it. And you don't have to do much work, comparing when you would do everything by yourself. And you would lose money because the time you could invest to actually make money. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope I gave you a little bit of value how you can start your own company on Idaho. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.